Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start with two prerequisites: an Azure subscription and permission to create resources. First, open Azure Portal or CLI and create a resource group in the target region. Then create an Azure cache for Redis instance. Pick the SKU, Basic for Dev, Standard for HA, Premium for persistence and clustering. Once done, set the capacity, GB, and network options. Make sure to enable or restrict TLS depending on your environment. This gets your cache provisioned and ready for configuration. Now configure how your applications will reach Redis. You decide between public endpoint with IP firewall rules or VNet injection for private network access. Choose VNet for production to reduce exposure. Next, enable TLS and copy the Redis auth key. Store it in Key Vault or App Settings. If you picked Premium, enable RDB/AOF persistence and configure backup cadence. Once configured, scale, either scale up by increasing capacity or scale out, with clustering to shard. Finally, connect your app using a Redis client and the TLS endpoint. For example, use hostname and port 6380 with the auth key. Once connected, instrument your app to monitor hits, misses, memory usage, and latency in Azure Monitor so you can tune eviction and expiry policies. If things go wrong, first verify firewall or VNet settings, confirm TLS and port, and ensure you're using the correct auth key. If memory pressure appears, increase capacity or adjust eviction and TTL strategies.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.